Look at my baby. What do you say to Mommy Helen? For the presents. Who's that, Kira?
Uncle Ken.
What do you say to Uncle Ken for the presents?
Whoa!
What's that?
What's that? That's my shirt. Not a shirt, it's a what? Whoa! A dog stuffing towel!
Towel!
Nice! Dami mo ng dog stuffing. And the couple?
Parang pipigilan niya yung tao.
Pag yung pinipigyan yung tawa, din siya masaya. Masaya siya.
Oo, pag yung pigil yung tawa, ano yan, matutuwa.
Yung kumakanta tayo kanina, sabi niya,
Daming present.
Wow! So much present!
Oh, I can. You can.
Ken?
Lagyan mo nga dito yung iPad.
Ano?
Ha?
Ha?
Yung iPad. Mommy, look, Daddy.
What's that?
Wow! What's that?
Ah!
Doc McStuffins again!
Wow! You have duck shirts
And
na,
look at
no?
this. What's inside? Wow! There's more. Yes.
Oh, what's inside?
Oh, look. Can you open it? Look at the zipper. It's heart-shaped.
What's that?
Wow!
A
Bowls.
duck plate and
Duck bowl and Hello Kitty bowl. No? Hindi siya magkanda o gaga dito sa mga ano.
Yeah, well, I can open it.
Okay.
Wow, Kira!
tingnan mo siya.
Gusto niya lahat ano, mabuksan niya kahit yung plastic nito.
Mommy, what's inside?
I don't know. Nothing. You can put sandwich here and
Wow!
food. You can put food here. When we go out, you can put sandwich or crackers. Okay, let me open this one.
Okay.
Whoa! Who gave these to you?
Daddy.
Ninang.
Nina.
Ninang and Mommy Helen, okay? What's inside? She's going to put Mommy Helen and Mommy Helen gave those to you.
It's Mommy.
Pencils! Ang daming pencils.
Yeah. This
A
one.
pencil case.
Yeah.
Wow!
Ang dami.
Mommy, give it to me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hindi na ito magkanda o gaga.
What's that?
Naka-video.
Mommy, what is that?
A coloring book.
Look.
What's that? A sharpener for your pencils.
Yeah. Let's give it
Me.
And for you.
Kasha sa'yo.
Ano kasi keep?
Masikip sa'yo? Sa akin lang ang luwa.
9.5 to, diba? Masikip.
Pag una masikip. Pero kung ayaw mo,
This, Mommy.
what's this? Colored pencils.
Yay!
These are crayons.
And look.
And what's this? Notebook.
Yeah.
Nagigigil na ako sa
And
spaghetti.
look.
Kain na. Notebook. Ang dami notebooks. Ang dami. Wow!
No. No.
There's nothing now.
Yeah.
No more.
Yeah. Open the present.
Huh?
We open the present.
You opened all the presents now.
But can I open it first?
Lahat ng naka-plastic gusto mong tanggalin, ha?
But it's tiny.
That's tiny, ha? Ganda ng cake niya, no?
Oo.
Lagay mo muna dun sa ano.
Mommy, I
24.
can't. Mommy, I
Lagay mo
can't,
muna dun
Mom.
sa ref.
I
Matutunan.
cannot
Ano yan?
put it with you.
Parang tatawag naman ng mamit daddy.
Do you like all the presents?
Who gave those to you? Ah. Who gave all the presents?